You know what I love? Power over Ethernet. One cable to rule them all. These Ubiquiti access points are amazing. Until you need to take them down. Let me tell you a story of pain, persistence, and pure frustration. After hours of wrestling with this thing, like it was possessed, I finally cracked. Literally. But don't worry, after unboxing a new access point, I discovered the perfect way to remove these stubborn ceiling huggers without breaking them. Before I save you from my mistakes, quick heads up, I'm actually designing my own power over Ethernet smart home room sensor. If you're into DIY smart home stuff, check out my playlist. But now, let me show you how to avoid turning your access point into a very expensive frisbee. Naturally, my first brilliant idea was to use a screwdriver. That's also how I damaged my access point. Don't use a screwdriver. It's not possible to remove it with a screwdriver. Unless you've got some Harry Potter level magic tools that can pass through ceilings. And if you had such tools, why would you watch my video? Let me show you what actually works. Here's the magic trick. All you need is a humble cable tie. Bend it like this, slide it in there, and the access point comes off like it was never meant to stay up there in the first place. Simple, right? Let me show you exactly how it works. By bending the cable tie this way, you can reach this plastic lid here that releases the locking mechanism. Know a better way? Drop it in the comments. Though I have to say, after all my battle scars, this cable tie method is the simplest solution I've found that doesn't require fancy tools. If this video saved your access point from harm, smash that like button instead of your access point and share it with your tech friends. And hey, since you're clearly into tech solutions that make life easier, check out my Power over Ethernet Smart Home Sensor project in the playlist below. I think you'll love what I'm working on. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep your screwdrivers for screws and your cable ties for, well, now you know. See you in the next video.